Hi guys, if you've always wanted to start up a YouTube channel and you don't know how to go about it, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ruthie as always. If you're just coming across my video, like today is the first time you're seeing my video on your timeline, you're welcome to this channel guys. My name is Ruth and this is Ruthie's vlog. So in this video guys, we're going to be discussing and talking more about starting a YouTube channel. I'm also going to tell you what most people don't tell you in all the beginners video. This video entails a secret. It's like I'm telling you straight up what you need to know and what you need to do of having a successful uploaded videos. If you have interest of starting a YouTube channel and you don't really know how to go about it, this video is for you. So please don't go nowhere, enjoy yourself, and yeah. Starting a YouTube channel, it's not a problem. The problem is, are you gonna do it right? The sound you're going to use, are you going to edit your videos, are you going to edit your thumbnails, are you going to do this, are you going to do that? Those are the major things we're going to be discussing about in this video. So the first thing you're going to do before opening a YouTube channel is by you creating a Gmail account. After creating a Gmail account, then you create your channel. Automatically, once you create a Gmail account, you automatically have a channel. All you have to do is just to activate it. I'm going to show you what I actually mean. So after creating your Gmail account and then you open your YouTube app, this is what you'll find. You have a profile already. Then you click on this upper part. For me, my letter starts from F. That's because of the Gmail I created. The name starts from F, and that is why I'm having letter F there. For you, it can be any other letters. Then you have to edit the name. Like you have to pick a username you want to use. So right now, you just start editing the name, the handle you want to use, your username, profile picture, start thinking about all those and start posting them in place. You have to edit it and then put your username. Though it depends on the name you use on your Gmail. Sometimes your name just pop up like that, just like what I'm having right here. And if that's the name you want to use, then you just stick to the name like that. So after picking a username, then I just edit my profile picture, just decorate it a bit. After your profile picture has been updated, then you just create channel, and voila, just like that, you've gotten a YouTube channel. After that, then you consider the niche you're going to be making videos about before posting. Niche is actually the type of videos you want to make, you want to be posting consistently. Like for me, I make lifestyle, I make fashion, I make just general stuff like that, and I also make this kind of videos. Okay, so that's my niche and that is what I'm posting. So I'm also letting you know what niche is before you pick a drawing, like you pick an area where you want to make videos for. So after picking your niche, then you have to consider uploading a video, making videos. Firstly, this part is actually very tricky because making videos is not always easy. At this point, you just doubt yourself, like you even think of giving up already, but don't give in, trust me. Those voices in your head, just shut them up, okay? And start. Making videos is not always easy. I don't know if anybody tell you, don't let them deceive you that making videos is easy. It's not so easy. For beginners, it's advisable you start scripting for a while before you start freestyle. But for me, I didn't script. Like I don't script, I just freestyle. All I do is I just know what the video is all about, then I just start making sense out of what I'm doing. I don't even know if that makes sense. What I'm trying to say is that I just know what I want to make out there, and I just gather up information, make research, and then when I talk, I just see everything inside, and that's it. In the next video, I'm going to be showing the kind of apps you're supposed to have as a YouTuber, as a beginner, and also as a content creator. I will share the apps with you, but for now, I'll advise if you're ready to start, please do start and use CapCut. CapCut is a free app that everyone is using right now. Even me, I'm so excited about the app. I've been using it for a while now. It's okay. So for a beginner, I advise you download that app and then start using it to edit your videos. Thumbnail is the kind of picture you see before clicking on a video. This is a thumbnail. So these are the type of pictures you see before clicking on the video. So for your thumbnail, you have to edit before or after the video. Canva is the app I use for editing my thumbnail. You can also use any other app that you're comfortable or that you're familiar with. Canva is just one of those apps that everything is there. Okay, you just have to know how to go about it. So download Canva today and then start editing your thumbnail. I'll advise you edit your thumbnail before you even upload your video. So when you're uploading your video, you also upload your thumbnail the same time. With time, you get to understand what I'm saying. After doing that, then you publish your videos. YouTube videos and thumbnail is 16:9. So that is the ratio you use to edit your videos as well, and also your thumbnail. And for the sound, sound is something that everybody loves to hear. Okay, you can't just upload a boring videos, something for the people to relate with, like happy videos. You need to upload happy sounds for pranks. Those sounds makes video even more interesting to watch. YouTube have a library of free music where you can just download, upload on your videos without having any copyright. You cannot just use random music like all those normal everyday music that we are aware of. You'll be copyrighted. So for you to avoid copyright, is either you're using Epidemic Sound or you're using YouTube free music. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned one or two things from it. So in our next video, we're going to be discussing on how to upload videos and every other thing you need to know about uploading a video. Okay, you can do any type of videos. YouTube is a place for you to just showcase your talent, showcase what you're creative about, showcase everything and anything you have within you. Okay, nobody's going to owe you, nobody's going to jail you for doing what you like to do on this platform. Thank you once again for stopping by and watching this video. I would love to see you guys on my next one.